Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending and viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So if home decor is your thing, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like today's video and you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest DIY trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So we start off the first DIY with some straws and some cardboard. So she placed the straws on there with a glue gun. Cut out a few different shapes. And then painted them this really pretty neutral color and the words home sweet home. This is really cute. This is also a really simple project. Oh, and she's got like the little planter there at the bottom. Really cool idea. Easy DIY mirror frame. So a few years ago we all saw the foam mirror trend. It looks like she is doing that here. And then adding some floral pieces. Oh, some dried flowers. Wow, that is really creative. And then we have an action DIY. So she has the infamous wooden bowl here and a candle. So this is a great way to make your own candle. You can put some essential oils in here. So she is going to melt this down. She took the wick out. So yeah, she's adding the essential oil. Didn't really see what she added there, but you can do like lavender, eucalyptus, which is my favorite. And then she put the wick back in. And of course, there is the final result. Really easy, simple DIY project. So here we have another mirror DIY. So it looks like she probably found this at like maybe a garage sale. So she has some fabric here. I have never seen this before where someone used some fabric around a mirror frame. That is really interesting. Kind of gives it like a nice antique vibe and feel. Very cool. And then we have another action hack. So we have another mirror here. A lot of mirror-based DIYs in today's video. Looks like she's adding a wood stain here, making it darker. And then adding some wooden pieces. So this is like a really nice, simple way to elevate a mirror. It's another simple, easy project you could do. So she's placing it all around the mirror. Oh wow, she even took the time to show us how she's hanging it up. This is cute. I like how small and compact this mirror is too. Like it's a nice size, kind of like for a nice entryway or a bedroom. Very cute. So if you guys haven't done so already, don't forget to like today's video. Here is that home sweet home project once again. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you aren't already. You could also spray paint this gold, by the way. I would love that. All right, do it yourself. Looks like some type of stool here. So she cut out a different shape and then she's adding in fabric and some foam. You got the pool noodle here. Oh wow, she's even doing it alongside the legs. I was wondering what she was going to do with that pool noodle. Okay, so here's the fabric here. Wow. So here she is doing the top portion of the stool, adding some more foam and some fabric. Now this would be kind of like a tedious DIY. You would definitely need to know how to sew to do this one. And I think it's interesting how she used yellow. Oh, wow. I wonder how soft that is, how comfortable it is when you sit on there. And then we have this DIY artwork piece. So she has two different, what is that? Oh, you know what? I think I've seen these on Amazon. They're like some type of textured piece that you can add to your wall. I don't know the exact name of them, but they're kind of like if you wanted to do like a backsplash or whatever, or upgrade your wall. So she's adding this to the canvas, and that created a nice texture. This is really interesting. You know what? I would like to see this. I mean, the black and white is really pretty, but I would like to see this in like gold and black. Like this would be so beautiful in gold and black. I can just envision it. Oh, we got another textured artwork piece. Wow, that looks really interesting. So this one also involves some canvas as well as some wood, some filler. I like when we can actually see all of the pieces and the items that you need to create these DIYs, because not every creator shows you that. So it looks like she used some fabric here for this one as well to create that textured effect. She's putting that inside of the filler mix and then draping the fabric. Wow. Oh, this is beautiful. It looks like tulle. Like this is so gorgeous. And it looks like you would spend like a lot of money on a piece like this. Like it looks like some type of restoration hardware artwork design. Very cool. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.